Hey guys, JB here. I want to thank you because we just reached 10,000 subscribers here on YouTube. And I'm here in a studio that a couple of months ago I didn't even have, shooting on a camera that I didn't even know how to use, and I'm still trying to figure it out. But because of you, we're able to build a really awesome community of what I believe are some of the smartest people on YouTube discussing tech devices, health, and just overall having fun. I want to make a note that, on this channel, we are not going to agree on everything that we discuss. On Monday, I'm doing the Note Air versus Remarkable 2, and maybe I'm going to like to feel more on one of the devices or the other. It doesn't mean we have to agree on everything. And I don't want somebody just to leave because they don't agree about something. In fact, it's the opposite. I want you to disagree. Let's have some conversation in the comments. That's what a community is really all about. And I'm super pumped about the future. Next Friday, I have the Quilla coming in, my first ever device being shipped to me by a company. This is a 42-inch e-ink device, which literally costs $5,000, and they're sending it to me to use, and I'm going to be using it in my masterminds and my coaching programs, and I'm super pumped because it's because of you that these things are starting to happen. Because if it wasn't for this community and the growth, and as fast as it's going, I wouldn't be able to do what I do, to learn all the things that I'm learning and provide this content to you. At the end of the day, I have one mentor that I absolutely loved growing up, and his name was Johnny Carson. At 51 years of age, he had a big influence on seeing my parents, who were blue-collar workers in the factory, working every day, coming home tired, and then escaping a little bit in the Johnny Carson show. I saw the relief of them from the stress and the daily grind that they had. It is my hope that here on this channel that I do that for you. That you come every day, that I put videos up, typically every day, and you say, I wonder what JB's doing today. And maybe, just maybe, it gives you a little break from the world around you, from the negativity, and gives you a little hope in humanity that there are great people out there around the world that share the same ideas, the same hobbies, and the same thoughts as you do. Again, we don't have to agree on everything, but we can be civil, we can have fun, and we can be positive, even when we have our arguments. And that's what this is about. It's a community more than a channel. We're just going past 10,000, which is awesome. Onward to 100,000. I hope you go on this journey with me, and I hope we go together because I'm going to get better at this stuff. I got a new Ronin coming, a gimbal. I'm going to start getting outside. I got some ND filters. I didn't even know what an ND filter was a month ago. But because of you, I'm learning new things, and most successful people on YouTube are these filmmakers. I'm far from it. But I'm going to do my best. Some of these things are going to suck. Some are going to be fun. But I'm going to do my best. And that's all I can give you. So thank you for helping help us get past 10,000. I couldn't even spit that out. And I can't wait for the next group that's coming in. Let's continue to make this a community. Let's support each other even when we don't agree. And let's have some fun. All right? And I will keep bringing you great energy and great videos. And I'll see you here tomorrow right here on the channel. So go have a fantastic day. And thank you very much. We're now 10,000 plus strong. It means so much to me. And it's so awesome to see this growth. Go have a great day.